Hey guys, this is Dad's Toys and Things, and if you're like me, you're probably traveling with one of your laptops. And especially in the airport, you don't always get to have a table to work on. So normally what you would do is you're gonna place this on your lap, and for a lot of laptops, there's a vent underneath. So if I could show you, here's the vent, and this one has a vent underneath. And even the biggest one right here, you got the vent underneath. And you know, when you're putting them on your lap, it's not fun at all because well, it's hot. And also, if you have this on a table, it's would be nice if you could work up it in an angle like this, but for the most part you're not going to be able to do that unless you have a stand. And for a while, I've been trying to find a folding stand that I could use for travel. I want it to be very light and I want it to be very functional. And so I did find this. This is the Ringke Folding Stand 2. And it says here you got two levels. One is 40mm and the other one is 55mm in height. And I got this specifically for my 13.3-inch laptop, but I think it's gonna work out to my 15-inch as well. So let's see. What the heck is this? Well, I got my wish. It's very small, it's very light, and it's very, very thin. So how does this work? Okay, so it's got two heights. The first height would be this. This is the 40mm, and if I wanted to increase it, this is the 50mm. Let's see how it looks on the laptop. This is the initial height. If I put my laptop here, see if I can open it up. It does give you that angle. Okay, there you go. So you got that angle. Very nice to work with. And what does it look like on the side? This is what it looks like on the side. Now, a good thing about this is it does not stick into the laptop itself, because there's a lot where you have to stick it, but I can't really do that because the vent is underneath here. So if I go to the second height, just to show you, this is the second height, and it doesn't really slip. This is a bit slippery, but it doesn't really slip unless you force it. But you know, it does give you that angle to work with, so it's nice. It's really nice. And the thing about this is, I mentioned a while ago that sometimes you want to put your laptop in your lap because you don't, you don't see, or you don't have a table. So this thing, you can actually put it on your lap. I tried it and it's nice. I could even put it in one of my legs, and yeah, it does work. So that's for the 13.3 laptop. Let's see how it works on the larger one. Now this is the 15-inch, and let's see. Oh yeah, no problem at all. No problem at all. There you go. Okay. Now, the cool thing that I found about this, probably the coolest thing that this thing has, is what I'm about to show you. See, this thing right here is magnetic. You can hear that? And because of that, it gave me an idea. Okay, this part right here is magnetic. So it has a magnet somewhere in here in the middle. So what I did is I got one of my extra blob me. This is a metal, a very light metal that you can stick anywhere. So if you have a magnetic item, you can just stick it in. So what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna stick it in like that, and this thing disappears into the laptop itself. So if I'm traveling, I'm not gonna lose it, because yeah, it's not gonna fall off. It's not gonna fall off. The magnet is very strong. So I would put this in my bag with this thing on. If I need it, just gonna get it, put it back in. Very, very cool. Very, very neat. Now, I will always have my stand with my laptop whenever I need it, either when I'm traveling or when I am home. So yeah, this thing is amazing. I mean, and for the price, this doesn't really cost that much, and it shouldn't be. I mean, it's very simple, but it's very, yeah, it's very nice. Oh, look at that. This is how it looks like. And yeah, again, I'm gonna show you. This is what it looks like at the back of my laptop, attached. See, a lot of the things that I found like this, you have to stick it in on your laptop, and this is not gonna work with laptops like this with the pens at the bottom. So you need something that you can really remove, like this one. All right, and once again, thank you for watching. That's another travel tip that I have for you. And please don't forget to click that like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when a new video is out. And as I am traveling, I'll be probably bringing in more travel items that I'll be using, or when I'm back after testing these items, how they work, and if they serve the function, the purpose that I want them to be when I bought them specifically for my travel. Oh, look, that's nice. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.